someone suggested tape and extensions. I was like, I must show you guys how I do them because this is my first time trying them. That shade match is matching. The brand I'm using is Enduring Hair. I have used them a few times for other hair extensions, but not taping, so it's my first time. We're gonna start by parting our hair in a U sort of shape. I did do it myself, so it's not perfect, but that's fine because this is beginner friendly and it only takes 20 minutes to do. I did cut the hair into 3 sections to sort of match my hair, but look how tight against my head that is. I did get Star to help me with the back. Once we've basically stuck the extension on, we're gonna go over it with tape, like stick it on, lift it up so you get to the upside of it, and then that's exactly where you stick the tape. So it's sort of like a sandwich, but not with another extension. Instead, it's with tape. And look how gorgeous that looks. I think this is the perfect solution for people with thin hair. It only took me 20 minutes to do, and you only have to repeat it every 6 to 8 weeks. You can put it up in a ponytail, so it's very versatile. I am filming this voiceover a week after I installed them, and honestly, guys, they are amazing.